Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I'm SHYAMASREE. Today I did my eyes, I mean just the eye makeup. So you will be watching that. So I did create this makeup, this one, on my brother's wedding. That is American style wedding, yeah. So I thought of creating this and sharing the whole look with you. So yeah, I'm not obviously not wearing the gown, but this was the makeup. So to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So I'm done with my base makeup and now I will be doing my eye makeup with you guys. So let's start. First I will be using my HUDA Beauty Palette and I will be using this pink color shade on the transition as transition, that's flamingo. This pink color, and this color straight away goes onto my crease. Now I will be using this color. I bought this from a local store from Kolkata. So it's a dark purple pink color, yeah. And I will put this on the outer corner as well as the inner corner. Okay, so the outer corner and the inner corner. Now we'll just place the colors. Later on we will blend it. And as you can see, I'm keeping this area free from any colors because it's a halo. So this is what halo is. It's like a shade on the middle part. So I will be using a glitter eyeshadow here. So now I will be building up the inner and the outer corners. And also I will join a little bit on the crease. Yeah. Taking a blending brush, I will be blending it properly. I'm taking a black shade now and will be applying on the inner as well as the outer corner to darken it up a little bit. So here and here. Again taking the blending brush and blending it. I'll take the color from the pan. You can see I have darkened up the color more and blending it again, and it's all properly blended. Now what I'll do, I'll take concealer on my finger and we'll just tap it on the middle part. Okay, like this. Like this, and on top of that I will apply the shade Angelic. Here this pinkish glitter on my eyelids. So this color goes straight on here, and as we put it we will also try to spread it out. Okay. So basically this is the whole process how you do halo eyes. Now you can do with any color you want, whatever color is available with you. Now see what I am doing. Since I have put it straight on the eyelid, I'm just blending everything properly so there is no kind of harsh things. Bigger blending brush, I'm taking the flamingo and again going on the crease and blending everything properly. So I'll do this eye and I will come back. Okay? So both the eyes are done now, and now I will be doing the lower lash line. So the colors that I used on my crease and on my lids, those are the colors will be there on my lower lash line. So first the color flamingo, that's a lighter pink one, and joining with this line as well. I will tight line my eyes. So I will take this color and now we'll blend my kajal with this color and smudge it out. This will create a little bit of smokiness under the eyes and the lower lash line. Okay. Now I will curl my lashes and put mascara, lot of mascara. You can wear falsies if you want, and I will not be doing that. So off camera I thought of wearing false eyelashes, just like that I was a little bit practicing as well, because every time I try to put false eyelashes on that particular day something goes wrong and I can't wear it. So I was just also practicing. So now the lipstick part, so I will be wearing this lipstick. This is Victoria from the shade number is BVD40. And I bought it from an online store, and I don't know whether I don't think it's available in the market, but you can have similar kind of lipstick. It's like available in Nykaa. You can see this kind of dark lipstick. So a light shade on my brows and also in the inner corners. So I really hope that you will be loving this makeup tutorial. If you do like it, please give a big thumbs up. I will see you next Tuesday. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh, make others laugh. Bye and take care.